It was like I was talking to somebody, and they said something along the lines of, uh, anytime I get a hope, I'll basically derail it because I don't want to be disappointed. It's better to reduce desire initially and prevent disappointment than to go for things and risk being disappointed. And I thought, well, if you see that the desire is just a thought that you can or can choose not to buy into, why is it that 100 thoughts or 1,000 thoughts into that train of thoughts, you can't still just step out of that train of thought? Why can't you just drop it then? Why can't you follow that desire? And then if life goes this way, desire goes this way, you go, well, and then you're boom, you're in the moment, like you're in life. And what seems to happen is the initial thought is sometimes kind of easy to recognize because there's a bit of a gap between it and where we are initially. So if we're going about our life and we get like this really dark thought, it's like, oh, what's that? But as soon as we look at that thought and step into it, it becomes, it seems to just take over our awareness. And then seeing anything outside of that is challenging sometimes because everything we see and everything we think is part of that. So it all points to itself. And getting to the outside of it can feel like you're sort of trapped in it. And you don't even see that you're in it. It just looks like your life got dark for a minute.